here we are. Welcome to Mustang Week 2020 with some loud cars and a GT500 in white. So yeah, pretty much this is the first event day on Monday the 7th at Dave & Buster's, and it just, it's already 6:40 now, man. We were cleaning that shit out for like 40 minutes. Oh, there you go, somebody else popping. And yeah, it's a big turnout. You're probably gonna see a best of, but yeah, let's check out those cars. So of course it is later in the day now. So this is pretty much the start. Not so many Mustangs over here, but the whole area back there is full. We got the rice area. I don't know why we have so many other cars showing up, but there we go, got some. It is definitely expanding, holy crap. Got a lot of GT500s, so a lot of Terminators, and these beautiful Misty Chrome Cobras. I saw 3 already. We're gonna see those later. They are back there, all the way back there. There's a lot going on. Hey, Deer Park water. Nice. What do you think of this color? Shit. Ooh, I like that. That is sick. Carbon fiber. He has the carbon fiber cowl hood too. That is nice. There you go. Old GT350s. And a GT350 Hertz. I think that was the H, right? The Hertz. That's pretty nice. That's nice too. I like that. I like the drag wheels on it. Oh no, he just... Nice. Yep, got a lot of old school and new school and middle school. That's pretty nice. It's missing a T behind the handicapped, isn't it? Not handicap. Yeah. Not handicapped.
It'd be a P and an E and a D. Handicap, right?
Oh, yeah, maybe. That is a hood I have not seen before. V6 Roush Stage 3 700 something horsepower. Oh, that's pretty clean. Other than the hood scoop is not clean. Yep. What are those wheels? That's different. And it's a GT500. I have not seen that. Jesus Christ. He's literally sitting on the floor. God damn. I like that hood. Dark tint on her. Oh yeah, Fast Lane Motorsports. I have seen this car before. Got a Roush. Oh, he moved. Was he not? No, that was a different one. Yes, the old one. That's pretty nice. That is pretty sick. Damn. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier.
Lights up red and stuff. Yeah. Jesus Christ. You know, they're shiny and then there's like extremely shiny. Yep, that's pretty nice. When even the hood is shiny on the inside, that's... Oh, we got the lightning right here. But I haven't seen many... Oh, ooh. Why am I getting excited about this? It's not even Mustang week. Focus RS. But I haven't seen a lot of like customized Mustang emblems. I would have thought it would be more.
I've seen a lot of painted ones.
Yeah, painted, but not like...
Replaced.
Yeah. Well, let's get over to the main stage. Now we're in the main area. I'm probably not gonna record all of it because I already did like a... What do you call those? B-roll. Fucking Camaro. Some B-roll shots. So this is pretty much just gonna be a quick walkthrough. Hey look, somebody had the same idea. Oh yeah, I like that too. And blue. That's pretty nice.
I like that.
Me too.
That is...
Oh yeah. Is it just me or do these engine covers just look wrong on these cars? I feel like...
Got some goodies over here on it.
Yeah, Pro Charger. Still looks weird though. And we got the only Mystic Cobra. At least for now. Oh, and the Fox Body Gang. Bullet. Is that a Supra? It is a Supra. Jesus Christ.
That's Fast and Furious.
God, that lot sounds so sick. Jesus Christ. If I had a black S197, that's probably how it would look like. That's pretty sick. Huh? Yeah, minus the drag radiator in the back because, you know. Slow? Yeah.
Oh, here they are. Chilling.
Yeah, chilling. They're just waiting for something to happen over there. What the fuck is that? I think I have seen that before. Not in person, but on Instagram. That is different. Holy crap. Okay. Okay, that's different. Hey, how's your name? God, that is so sick. You're just spitting out your... What, one of those hood holdy thingies? You need one of those. The headlights? Shit. Oh, now they're turned off. Great. Oh look, there he is. Derek Baron Productions. The one with the that has the head, black shirt.
Oh.
Yeah. You see him with the girl with the green? Yes. So his car should be over here somewhere too. Oh yeah, back there. It's funny how YouTubers always look different in person than what they do in videos. I thought he would be taller. He's short.
Where's the car at?
Should be over there somewhere. There you go, that's nice.
Grabber yellow.
God damn. It's pretty sick. I know this is his buddies. He just made a video about that one. Then we got the triple yellow banana mobile, and there he says, yeah, he has the hood open. No, wait, no, that's not him. Never mind. He should be somewhere. Oh, probably on the other side, because he doesn't have the S550, he has the S197.
Oh, that one?
I think that's his, yep. Let's check it out. Yep, there it is. Jesus Christ. Seeing it in person. Oof. Yeah, he did it all right. Damn. That's pretty crazy. Huh? 130,000? Yeah. He got big with the new Edge. He had a blue, or he still has it. He bought a bag. A blue. Yeah, I might have showed him to you.
I think you did. And he was named Blue, right?
Yes, exactly. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yep, that's him. Yeah, I gotta grab my camera, take a picture of that, and post it on Instagram.
Ooh, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
So that's a micro with the shark teeth on it.
Yeah. It doesn't look too bad. On a white car, it looks okay. But yeah, I guess we will see what else happens. Maybe nothing. You will see if there's gonna be an end to this video or not.
What's it sound like on red line?